Ako yung tipo ng tao na di makontento sa kung ano yung ginagawa. Para bang puro lang akong simula, wala akong natatapos. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko madisiplina yung sarili ko. School, trabaho, maski sa relasyon. Kahit na maayos yung partner ko, parang lagi na lang akong may gagawin para sirain yung relasyon naming maayos naman sanang tumatakbo. Para bang ang dali ko mabore, ang dali ko ma-discourage at ang ikli ng attention span ko. Is there something really wrong with me? Kaya wala akong kontrol? Larry, ganito, no? Some people kasi talaga, when their heart is not in what they do, or hindi full yung puso nila sa ginagawa, sa relationship na meron sila, parang ang dali nilang humanap ng loophole para ayawan yung certain thing na yon na ginagawa nila, or yung certain relationship na yon kung nasan sila. I won't deny that it's a problem within you. Maybe because, 1, mataas siguro yung standard mo. 2, siguro yun lagi yung minamagnify mo, yung mga things that are going wrong sa relationship, sa trabaho mo, sa school mo. Kumbaga, nakafixate ka sa mga bagay na nangyayaring mali, sa mga pangit. Pero hindi mo na kikita, hindi mo na appreciate all the good things that are happening in your school, in your work, even in your relationship. That is actually one of the reason as to why ang dali nating manawa, ang dali nating bumigay sa relationship, ang dali nating umayaw sa certain commitment na meron tayo. It's because we always look at the things that are not present, or yung mga kulang. Minamagnify natin yung mga bagay na mali, pero never nating ina-appreciate kung ano yung mga gumagana ng tama, kung ano yung mga magaganda, kung ano yung mga bagay na heartwarming naman sa atin, but because we are still looking for more, hindi natin siya nakikita. As to answer your question, is there something wrong with you? My love, there's something wrong with the way you see things, but not you exactly. Pero yung way mo lang tignan yung mga bagay-bagay. Try to ask yourself, ano bang ine-expect mo? Anong ine-expect mo sa school? Anong ine-expect mo sa work? Ano bang ine-expect mo sa isang relationship? Kasi kapag nasagot mo yung tanong, this is how you look at those things, how you see it, how you envision it. So, kapag na-envision mo na kung ano yung ine-expect mo out of it, then try to look back sa naging experience mo sa school, naging experience mo sa work, naging experience mo sa relationship. Try to compare now. Baka kasi doon makita mo kung ano yung hinahanap mo na hindi mo makuha-kuha. Kaya hindi mo magawang mag-stick to one. Kaya hindi mo magawang mag-commit. Kaya hindi mo magawang mag-stand by to whatever it is that you are doing, because you are looking for that missing item, missing thing na hindi mo lang alam dati kung ano exactly yung hinahanap mo. Huwag kang mag-alala. It's one of the things that we have to figure out as we grow older. Habang tumatanda talaga tayo, hindi pa rin talaga natin, parang hindi tayo mapakali kung saan yung pwesto natin sa mundo. We are all just trying to figure out where we fit in this wide world. Even though yung mga tao ngayon na pinaninindigan kung nasan sila, that's not exactly where they want to be eh. Meron pa silang gustong puntahan, meron pa silang gustong maabot, meron pa talaga silang gustong kalagyan. It's just that right now, they settle for this one muna hanggat hindi pa nila alam sa mga sarili nila kung saan ba nila talaga gustong pumunta. This is one of the things kasi that is pestering yung youth natin of today. Masyado tayong natataranta at nape-pressure ng ganap ng mundo that we try or force ourselves to figure out where we wanna go, where we should be ngayon agad-agad. When in life, alam naman natin, it's a journey, it's a process. We need to try a few things in order to really see where we belong. May mga tao nga dyan kumbaga nagta-travel on the same, sabihin na natin, on the same industry, on the same path for how many years. Kumbaga, expect mo na dun na siya habang buhay niya. But then again, something will come along. Magja-jump ship siya into another path. That doesn't mean na wala siyang control, hindi niya magawang mag-stick to one, wala siyang sense of commitment. It's just that alam niya sa sarili niyang it's not yet where she is or he is meant to be in. Kumbaga meron pang ibang mundo or ibang way, ibang path na pwede niyang i-travel to rediscover himself or herself or himself or herself pala. Himself? Anong himself or herself? Kumbaga, wag kang magpa-pressure. Kung yung mga kaedaran mo ngayon, meron na silang plano, meron na silang kinalalagyan, meron na silang kinakalagakan, meron na silang, kumbaga set na sila ng roots sa kung ano man yung profesyon, kung ano man yung relationship na kabilang sila with. Huwag ka mataranta sa kanila. That is their life. Their journey in life. Yours is different. Though I do understand na parang ang utak mo ngayon ay tumatakbo na wala ba akong capability to stay in one place? Wala ba akong kapasidad to make things stable in my life? I do understand na at some point, andun yung takot mo na baka ikaw to. Well, let me tell you now, my love, you are a mirror, a reflection of everybody else living in this world. Hindi tayo lahat sure sa kung saan tayo pupunta. Hindi lahat tayo sure kung ano yung gagawin natin in life. Hindi lahat tayo sure na ito yung kinabibilangan natin talaga for the rest of our lives. We need time to figure it out. We need a few mistakes to put a pin on it na ito na talaga yan. We need a few more options to nail ourselves down to a certain place at sabihin sa mga sarili natin, this is where I wanna be, this is who I wanna be with, and this is what I wanna do for the rest of my life. It takes time to figure that one out. So kung ngayon hindi mo pa siya mahawakan, so kung ngayon feeling mo hindi mo pa siya mabigyan ng full attention, full focus kasi feeling mo hindi pa ito yon, then maybe, my love, just maybe, hindi mo pa kasi talaga nahahanap kung ano yung para sa'yo. Kung saan yung para sa'yo. Kung sino yung para sa'yo. Maybe that's the reason why you feel like you cannot maintain anything in your life. Kasi you're not yet there. You're still traveling. Nasa journey ka pa lang. Papunta ka pa lang. So wag ka magmadali. Wag ka din mataranta. Everyone has their own purpose in life. Walang taong pinanganak na walang purpose. Walang taong pinanganak na walang dahilan. Lahat tayo, we belong somewhere. Pero in order to get there, we have to be patient sa tinatawag nating journey in life. Kailangan nating maging pasensyoso kasi sometimes it's not a straight line. Paliku-liku siya minsan. Crooked yung daan. So you just have to be patient and trust yourself. Have faith in yourself that no matter how confusing, no matter how hard, you'll eventually get there. Naintindihan mo ko, Larry? It's not that wala kang control in life kasi life is not something that you can actually control. It's just that right now, you are living your life. You are learning from the mistakes you are doing and you are becoming human. That is how a human progresses. Diba? With crooked lines, with unknown and kumbaga, unstable territories to conquer. Ganun tayo eh. That unknown world, the fear of that unknown, yun lang naman yung nakakapagpasabi sa atin na hindi pa tayo stable eh. Kasi we don't know what the future holds. So wag mong pangunahan by saying wala kang control, by putting a period into it na wala kang stability in life. You're just human, my love. Not everything is something that you can control. So, kung meron mang trabahong kinabibilangan mo ngayon, just focus on it. Focus on today. Forget about the past. Forget about tomorrow. Just get through today, one day at a time. If looking ahead confuses you, if yung pagtanaw sa kasalukuyan ay kino-confuse ka, nililito ka, then focus on today. Just get through today. What will happen this morning up until the evening. Kasi that one you know. Alam mo yan eh. Alam mo yung routine mo every day eh. Doon ka na lang muna mag-focus. Try to be at your best one day at a time. And then, hindi mo mapapansin, it will become something usual for you. Doing your best every day. Magiging habit mo na siya. Magiging reflex mo siya. Magiging parte siya ng pagkatao mo. And before you know it, you're already there. Sa kung saan ka dapat nandun, and with the person that you are supposed to be with. Because today, you started to tell yourself na I will forget about tomorrow, I'll forget about the past. I'll focus on today and be the best version of myself each and every day until I get there. Claro, my love? It sounds so complicated, but it's easy. Just take it one day at a time. Claro? Claro.